Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and yes, it's giveaway announcement time, people. I'm real excited. I'm glad to give away all these gifts, and remember, we got another one coming up, so stay tuned, and we got some more watch faces to give away. And I want to say thank you all for being patient. It's been a long week, a long physical week, people. And this weekend, I was tired. So I didn't get to you all like I should have, especially you, Hector. So forgive me, but we're gonna take care of everybody. We're gonna get all the watch faces that we should have got out. And if you know of anybody that needs watch faces from the country that we announced during that giveaway, listen, hit me in the comment section down below. We'll get it to you. We have them, no problem. We got Japan, we got Hong Kong, we got Australia. So just hit me up if you're from different countries and you're looking for a free watch face. For MD24, we got you, okay? So with that being said, we're not gonna keep you long. We're gonna be in, we're gonna be out. We're gonna announce the winners right now. Now, the first one we're gonna announce is the winner for the Galaxy Note 8 case, which is probably, this ringtone is crazy, which is probably one of my favorite cases out of all. You're gonna like this one. So let's go ahead, let's announce the winner. And the winner of the Galaxy Note 8 case is William Pierce, people. William Pierce is the winner. Congratulations, William. You are the winner of the Galaxy Note 8 case. Congratulations, my friend. And for those of y'all who don't have my email, William has my email. I'm going to leave it down at the bottom of the screen right now. And I'm going to leave it in the description box so you guys can email me because I need to get your address so I can send you your gift. Cool? All right, let's get to the next one. Now, the Galaxy Note 8 cases, listen, my favorite lineup. This is my favorite out of all of them, right? The LED flip cover case, this one here is beautiful. You're gonna love it. Now, I don't know if there's one more missing. I think it's one more missing out the bunch. We're gonna locate it. If it's one more, we're gonna put it along with it when we set it out, okay? Now, with that being said, the winners of the Galaxy, well, the winner of the Galaxy Note 8 case is Brian Davis. Congratulations, Brian. You are the winner of the Galaxy Note 8 cases. Congratulations, my friend. Don't forget, email me when you can. Cool? All right, now for the winner of the Gear S2 watch band. Now, I should have told you all. I didn't think about it. I'm sorry. Forgive me for it. But this is a proprietary band. So it's not going to be for the Gear S2 Classic because I think Vince, June, and another person, Pace, I believe, said that they got the Classic, and the Classic is not going to fit the Classic, okay? But I'm going to send it to you anyway, to the winner, and don't worry about it. If you want to give it to somebody, if you want to resell it on eBay or Amazon, you can. It's a very nice band if you can give it away to somebody, if you can't use it, okay? So with that being said, let's announce the winners of the Gear S2 watch band, all right? And the winner is June Backs. If I pronounce that right, I don't know. I don't know if I'm pronouncing your name right, but if I am, if I'm not, listen, forgive me. You are the winner of the watch band. Congratulations. Congratulations to all the winners. Listen, people, I want to thank you for everything that you've done for the channel and how far you brought the channel. Remember, people, we're all family. Everybody on the channel is winners. Remember, you don't have to follow me on anything. Just follow me on YouTube, and I'll be grateful. All right, that's going to be it for the giveaway, people. Remember that we got another giveaway coming up for the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. That is coming up, so look for that. All right, just continue to comment. You got to comment in the comment section down below, and make sure you hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, because we have winners on this channel, and we are definitely a close-knit family. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. Congratulations to all the winners again. And for the people who didn't win, believe me, trust me, you are a winner. Just keep commenting. And again, people, if you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. And again, enjoy the rest of your weekend. Get some rest, and I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.